Let me ask you a question. Do we eat to live or live to eat? You've probably heard the phrase, "You are what you eat." Sure, hunger drives us to eat, but food is so much more than just fuel. It's life. Every bite we take powers every aspect of our body, from regenerating our cells to keeping our energy levels up, supporting brain function, and ensuring our overall health and well-being. But have you ever stopped to consider why you eat? Or deep dive into why you are what you eat?
Today we're going to explore how the science of Saladmaster can transform your cooking into an art form. With Saladmaster's low-temperature semi-vacuum cooking system, we preserve the vital nutrients that fuel your body, elevate your meals, and ultimately transform your health. In the following sections, we'll show you how nutrient-dense cooking with Saladmaster can make a tangible difference in your life. We bring the science, you create the art, using the right foods, the right techniques, and the right equipment.
How food is cooked and prepared impacts the amount of nutrition your body has available to absorb.
Boiling broccoli can cause up to 50% loss of vitamin C. Water-soluble nutrients like B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and calcium often leach into the cooking water, which is usually discarded. Even when used in soups or gravies, high heat has already degraded much of their nutritional value. High heat combined with oxygen exposure leads to the breakdown of important antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the body against oxidative stress, a known contributor to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Frying at high temperatures can create harmful compounds like acrylamides, which have been linked to increased cancer risk by health authorities such as the World Health Organization.
Can you see the importance of why the experts say, "You are what you eat"?
Saladmaster, the solution. We bring the science, elevating cooking to an art form. Established in 1946, has long known that the way our food is cooked and prepared plays a vital role in the available nutrition that our body can extract from that food. We've been taking your nutrition seriously for decades. Long before recent studies confirmed the dangers of traditional cooking methods, our engineers had developed a scientifically designed nutritional cooking system to combat the so-called enemies of nutrition. Here's how Saladmaster changes the game. Preserving nutritional integrity. Our low-temperature semi-vacuum cooking system ensures that the food is cooked at the right temperature, below 86 degrees Celsius, 187 degrees Fahrenheit. The average nutritional retention with the Saladmaster cooking method is 93%. This preserves water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Let me show you how Saladmaster is made and how it allows us to cook the way we do, while retaining an average of 93% nutrition. First, the handles are removable, utilizing Snap Secure technology. That means fewer accidents in the kitchen. It's also a huge space saver on your stove, in your cupboards, and even in the dishwasher. No more loose handles. It also has a dripless pouring edge, our control pour. So when you pour water, milk, or soup, there's no mess, no spillage, and no need to wipe down the worktop. The self-nesting lids stack neatly into a compact pile, taking up hardly any cabinet space. Clean, simple, elegant. Now let me show you why Saladmaster is unique, special, and superior. Saladmaster is crafted by utilizing a 5-ply construction using 3 metals, which is a complex process. The Saladmaster engineers have perfected it, creating what we call our nutritional healthy cooking system. The outer layer is made from 400 series induction stainless steel. Saladmaster is incredibly energy efficient due to our cooking methods, and it's also compatible with all cooktops, including ceramic, electric, gas, and induction. This is down to the magnetic properties and maintains the mirror finish long term. The middle layer features a multi-layer thermal core made up of 3 layers of aluminium, which is a great heat conductor, for even heat distribution and retention, therefore distributing heat evenly across the entire surface. That means no more pot watching, no stirring, just even, effortless cooking. And here's the most important part, the inner layer where your food touches. Saladmaster cookware is constructed of 316 Ti. This, combined with our cooking method, helps protect the purity and flavor of the ingredients you cook, for healthier, more nutritious, flavorful food every time you cook. Cooking in Saladmaster is so simple. Put your food into Saladmaster without adding oil or water. Place your Saladmaster onto the stove and turn to medium heat. The moisture then rises from the food up to the lid. Once the temperature reaches approximately 187 degrees Fahrenheit, 86 degrees Celsius, the nutrition protector valve will begin clicking. When you hear the nutrition protector, simply turn the stove to low heat. Once the stove is turned to low, a semi-vacuum cooking seal is created, locking in the moisture, nutrients, and flavor. Our unique approach combines advanced technology, like the nutrition protector valve, with an innovative low moisture, low heat, semi-vacuum cooking method that not only enhances the natural flavors and colors of your food, but also saves energy, reduces cooking time, and makes meal preparation an art that supports a healthier lifestyle. So, medium, click, low is all you need to know.
Save time and energy. Saladmaster's advanced system uses 84% less energy compared to traditional cooking methods. Stack cooking with Saladmaster means a full meal can be cooked on one burner, roast meats, vegetables, even dessert, as the ProTherm core distributes heat evenly, saving both energy and space. With faster cooking times and more efficient energy use, you can cook nutritious meals while saving both time and money. Plus, you can cook entire meals using just one piece of Saladmaster cookware, cutting down on the need for multiple pots and pans.
Wow, look at that. We've got broccoli, cauliflower, frozen corn, frozen peas, we've got potato, we've got an egg, we've got red cabbage, we've got courgettes, sweet potato, carrots, and a sweet corn. Just think about all those items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items we've got here. And I just want you to focus on that, because if you were cooking this conventionally, how many pieces of cookware would you need?
It all comes down to the choices you make in the kitchen. By choosing the right ingredients, using the right techniques, and cooking with the right equipment, you can give your body and family the fuel it needs to thrive.
When you cook with Saladmaster, you're making sure your food is packed with the nutrients your body needs to feel great, stay strong, and keep going. Every meal becomes a step towards better health, more energy, and a happier life.
Make the choice to nourish your body with every meal. With Saladmaster, you're not just cooking, you're investing in your health. Let's make every meal a step toward a healthier, happier you.
It's time to take back control. Let's share this information with our families and our communities. The time is now. Please join us today as we lead the movement back to healthy home cooking.